It's just a peaceful life. Then suddenly, the clock ticking at 10 p.m. becomes so scary.
Magnitude 7.6 na lindol ang sa Davao Oriental.
Nangyalik ng magnitude 5.6 na lindol ang Isabela. Lubog pa rin po sa baha ang ilang kalsada sa Quezon City. Naramdaman na nga sa Sarangani, General Santos at ilang karatig na probinsya ang magnitude 6.8 na lindol.
So what are we supposed to do during the earthquake? During an earthquake, remember to duck, cover and hold to protect yourself from falling object and debris. After the earthquake, we need to evacuate to a safe, open area. Be alert and don't get hurt!